Hello friends, the topic of today's video is need of data warehouse. What is the need of data warehouse? Let us see. So before commencing the actual topic, I will tell you one scenario. Suppose after engineering graduation, you want to start your business. You cannot least directly start your business. First of all, you have to do the market research, and I have written some of the questions that you have to check. So first is what is the customer segment? What type of customer that I need to target? So that is the first question comes in your mind. Then what is the lowest or highest margin? What will be the profit percentage? How I can earn the profit? What will be the type of profit? And what is the percentage of profit that I can earn from this business? Then what product customer can buy? What is the liking of the customer? What is the disliking of the customer? What is the impact of new product? How much that product will affect the market? How much it is liked by the people? Then what is the most effective distribution channel? How to supply the product or so these are all question comes in your mind, and there will be no magician in the world that he can answer. So there is only one entity that can provide satisfactory answer to this question is data warehouse. So let us see how, because in data warehouse contain current as well as historical data. It contains huge amount of data. It contains the, suppose there is same type of organization doing the business. So they are storing the data. So what you can do, you can do analysis of the data, and from that analysis you can reach to certain decision. So what is the role of data warehouse here? Data warehouse contain current and historical data, and you can do the analysis of that current and historical data, and then based on your analysis you can draw some conclusion, and you can get the answers of this question through data warehouse. So more is the data, more you will get accurate decision. So it depends on quality of data. More the accurate will be data, more you get good or accurate decision. So all this depends on data. So to answer this question you will require data, and that data is present in the data warehouse. So that's why there is need of data warehouse. So the main purpose of data warehouse, it is used for strategic decision. Suppose if you want to predict the future, suppose there is any motor corporation, and they want to predict that how much what can be the sale in next year, what can be the sale in next quarter. So according to that they will produce the automobile, or they will produce the vehicle. So how they are predicting it? It is through previous analysis of the data, and where that previous data is stored, it is stored in the data warehouse. So that's why data warehouse is needed for strategic decision. So I do hope you understand the need of data warehouse. So in next video I will explain what is data warehouse and what are the various features of data warehouse. So thank you, please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned.